Ever wondered what separates the pros from the rest? Well, I was studying, learning, and applying time management and discovered that to transform your ability takes as little as 10 minutes per day. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be deep diving into the art of mastering a skill. Whether you're learning to save money, create budget, or blog on a website, these 3 strategies will help you accelerate your progress and so that you can achieve true mastery. Number 1, deliberate practice. This isn't about mindless repetition. It's more about focused repetition where you're practicing those specific areas repeatedly, pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. Break down the skill into smaller, more manageable chunks and identify any kinds of weaknesses where you're analyzing your performance and pinpointing areas for improvement. Get feedback, seek constructive criticism from a qualified teacher or mentor. Number 2, consistent effort. Mastery takes time and consistent effort. There will be plateaus, setbacks, and even moments of frustration, but the key is to stay consistent. Create a schedule, dedicate specific time slots for practice, and stick to them as much as possible. Incorporate practice into your daily or weekly routine to make it a habit, and track your progress where you're keeping a journal or use a progress tracker to monitor your improvement over time. And reward yourself. Celebrate your milestones and achievements to stay motivated. Number 3, mindset matters. Finally, the mindset matters is crucial for mastery any skill. Embrace the challenges, view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Stay patient until the mastery takes time, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Believe in yourself, cultivate a growth mindset, and believe in your ability to learn and improve. Find your way, connect your skill learning to a deeper purpose or passion to stay motivated. Mastering a skill is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. By implementing these 3 strategies, deliberate practice, consistent effort, and a growth mindset, you'll be well on your way to achieving true mastery. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. What skills are you currently working on mastering? If you're looking to get ahead on your cleaning, organizing, and decluttering before the new year begins, you can now purchase my Monday through Friday cleaning checklist, which has both quick refresh, deep cleaning checklist, as well as a cleaning log to track your progress and additional tips for you to get started right away. It is now available on my Etsy shop, and I will place that link down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on personal development and skill building, and I will see you in the next video.